Give me 3 minutes and I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most frustrating issues you pop up with the rope face swapping software. Fantastic software, but little things pop up sometimes and they make us wonder what exactly is going on. Well, hang in here. I'm going to show you a trick and how to fix it real quick. Going right now. Hell. All right, so as most of you know, Rope is the best face swapping software out there. There's everyone's always asking uh, the best, this, that, and it always comes back to Rope. It's just I want to say it's quantitatively the best. It's just freaking awesome. But it does have some errors that didn't get sorted out, and so we're going to talk really quickly about one of the big ones here. Now, just so you know, when we start this, we got to click here on the start rope button. And if you haven't done this before, what you find is that it loads up all of the things from the folder that you choose here. So like I just had to select a video editor, and then here's some different faces I can use. Now I want to show you something over here. Notice I've got a video up here that says 1.webm. Okay. Now this brings up this cool video of Michael Shannon. I think this is from a show called Boardwalk Empire. But let's say I want to face swap them. I want to put my face on there. Now, I want to show you something that happens here. I go down here and I click my Find Faces. I find it. Click it. Hey-oh, there it is. Go grab this handsome devil up here and I click the Swap Faces. And notice it swapped the faces, okay? But now, let's say I want to go ahead and record the video. So I go ahead and prime it by pressing that red button, and now I go hit play, and look, it moved one frame, and then it stopped. Well, what happened? It's not moving now. I can't get it to do anything. It's not even switching out videos anymore. Well, I'm going to tell you what happened right here. If we pop over to the terminal window, notice it says here there was a broken pipe error. Okay, so think of it just like things are flowing from a pipe, one thing to another, and then there's a broken something and it spills out. So that's kind of that's not exactly what it's saying, but it's like that. Things flow from one thing to the next to the next. It's called a pipe, and the pipe got broke. Why did it get broke? Well, let's go back over here to the app. Remember what we picked was this one that was called 1.webm. Okay, so that's in a web media format. I think it's a Windows thing. I'm not totally sure, but that is our problem. If we click over to our file explorers, we'll see that, well, there we downloaded it, 1.webm. It can't handle the file. The short of it is that Rope cannot handle WebM or WebP files. It's just a way that the image has been converted or compressed that freaks out its brain. I can't do it. So we have to convert those into a JPEG or a MP4. Okay. So I mean, obviously this thing works with AVIs and it works with PNGs and all that. But when you get a WebM or a WebP, which a lot of stuff now on the online is in those formats, you have to convert them. So here's a couple different things that you can do. So first thing is you could go over to ChatGPT, and now what I will typically do is I'll get the name of the file. Oh, God, darn it! If I can click around on the right stuff. What was the name of the file? The name of the file was 1.webm. So let's head back over to this browser and let's ask ChatGPT. Say, hey, yo, chats, using FFmpeg, how to convert 1.webm to a MP4. Okay, and then it's going to pop out the answer to us, which is going to be a simple one-line thing here. So we can just copy that. Then really easy, all we got to do is go over to our command line, our file explorer, and to be honest, just click up here and paste in your fpeg command. And that's going to go ahead and convert it into there. If it's a different file, notice here's the file name 1.webm. You can change it. If it's something else, change the name. This is where it's going to output it to. It's going to output it to 1.mp4. Okay, and if you go ahead and enter that, it'll create it. Now, I'm going to show you another way that's even simpler, and that is by simply creating a bat file that does it for you, so that you can just literally drag and drop. If you want to head over to getgoingfast.pro, I just put up a little script here. This is free. You just got to sign up. It doesn't cost anything. I mean, it's literally just a little bat file, but this will do all your conversions for you. So in the same manner, without having to talk to ChatGPT, notice I've got it here. It's called Ropeify. Oh, can you even see that on the? You can't see that on the screen. Hold on, just 1 second. There it is. So there it says Ropeify. Now watch. If I grab this one WebM, all I got to do is just drag it over to Ropeify and let go of it. It pops up a window which you can't see at the moment, but it pops up a. Let's see if I can get it to show for you. Pops up this window. There we go. And it does all the conversion. Bop, bop, bop. And if we go back to our file window, we're going to notice that now we have 1.mp4. So it converted. Okay, same thing. Notice I've got this image here, which is a WebP file. So that's just a single image. If I drag that onto the Ropeify like this, it'll do the same thing. It'll go ahead and convert that image for us. And then you have it 0.1.jpg or 0x0 JPG. Now, what we can do is, because now we're back into a place where we've got the correct files, is, well, I've got too much stuff popped up here. Hold on just a second. Good Lord. Is we can actually delete the original WebP, so I'm going to delete that. Now, I'm only going to do that if it's a throwaway thing. If you're using like your family photos and all that, don't do that, because it does actually, what do you call it, decrease the quality of the image. So you don't want to you don't want to do that. You just want it for the sake of the face swapping. Okay, but anyway, we've got the files changed up. So now what I'm going to do is I have to close down Rope, because remember, we broke it, right? You bought it, you broke it, you bought it. Okay, so we broke it, we bought it, and we reload it. It sounds like a song. We broke it, we bought it, reload it, something like that. So now we pop back up to the app. We're here again. We can press our start, just as we always normally would. Bop-bitty-bee. All right. Now notice it says up here 1.mp4. So if I click that, now we've got Michael Shannon's face. I'm going to click Find Face. Click on his face. Then I'm going to click on this handsome devil up here and go swap faces. Okay, there, swap the face. Now if I prime it and I press play, yo, what's up? Now it's working. And now I can work on my, on making it better. So there you have it. All right. That is one huge solution to going with Rope. If you guys do have questions about how to get it going, feel free to come ask on the Discord. We follow the Get Going Fast protocols for all of this stuff. In other words, we make sure our system's set up correctly. And then once it's set up correctly, all these installations are way easier. But I understand some of you guys have a little bit difficult time with that as well. I have put all the resources here on YouTube for you to find it. We have a system setup script that you can always use. And if last case scenario, you're all going to always hire my time as well. So whatever, whatever you need to do to get your hobby going, we're here for you. Okay. And Get Going Fast is here for you as well. So be sure to get over to getgoingfast.pro and look at our catalog over here. All sorts of good stuff that you can get. Look at all the good, awesome excellence we have. All right. Well, with that in mind, I'm going to leave you there so you can get back to your face swapping, and we will catch you on the other side. Yo.